New at 6:30, actor Charlie Sheen making a bombshell announcement today that he is HIV positive. He said during an interview this morning that he has known about the diagnosis for 4 years and he was going public to end a smear campaign. We're joined now to talk with two experts on this subject right now, AIDS Care Ocean State CEO Paul Fitzgerald and also Dr. Philip Chan. You specialize in infectious disease at Miriam Hospital. We thank you both for coming in right now. I want to start with you though, Mr. Fitzgerald. Let's just talk about the awareness part of this. Is this the kind of awareness that...
Well, so it's, it's a difficult time for Charlie Sheen for sure, but it is whenever a celebrity is involved in with HIV, it's helpful because it puts a spotlight in the community on an opportunity for us to talk about prevention, talk about treatment, talk about what the risks are, and get that message out and get a lot of conversation going in regards to HIV. And Charlie Sheen is doing, I think the fact that he's come out and he's made a statement, right, I think he knows that he is now going to be a model in regards to reacting to the best thing that people should know, what they should know about HIV, what his experience has been, and what he can do for the community, and it helps us get our message out as advocates for people with HIV.
And you talked a little bit about the treatment aspect of this. I mean, Dr. Chan, you specialize in this right now. So what's actually the prognosis for someone who's HIV positive?
Yeah, so thanks for having us, Steve. So someone diagnosed today has pretty much a normal life expectancy. Now the one caveat for that is that people take their medications and follow up with the doctor. And the medications are so good nowadays, minimal side effects, one pill once a day. But the key is for getting diagnosed early, and all the major medical organizations do recommend being tested at least once a year and more often if you're sexually active. So we definitely encourage all your viewers to get tested.
Could he actually be in some sort of legal trouble at this point because of all of this?
Not in Rhode Island.
Not in Rhode Island?
Right. Yeah, there are 34 states that can have in some way will criminalize HIV by having ordinances that, or regulations that say, if in fact you know your status and you do not, and you have consensual sex with your partner and you don't tell your partner about that, you can be liable for sure. But in Rhode Island, that's not the case, right? Our message is that you're responsible for yourself, so you should always be aware that about safe sex. You should always protect yourself and realize that your partner may or may not tell you what their status is. We hope that people do, that people are in a good, solid relationship, and an intimate relationship, then you should in fact let your partner know if you are HIV, so that that person can be very clear about protecting themselves.
Thank you both so much for coming to talk about this, the very important topic, and good insight from the both of you. We appreciate it.
Thanks for having us.